Happy weekend, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. In today's video, we're looking at 10 reasons why you may want to buy Cosmos and consider adding Atom, that's ticker ATOM, to your altcoin portfolio. As always, none of this is financial advice, but this is a project that we're enthusiastic about. You can follow along on altcoinbuzz.io. This video is based on Manoj's write-up, as you can see right here. Guys, if you like this kind of content, Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and altcoin overviews, be sure to like and subscribe to Altcoin Buzz. Famously dubbed the so-called Internet of Blockchains, Cosmos, whose ticker is Atom, ATOM, allows any blockchain network to communicate, to share, and transact with any other blockchain. And Cosmos's vision is to become the bridge between blockchains through a set of open source tools like Tendermint, the Cosmos SDK, and IBC. Moreover, these tools allow developers to build custom, secure, scalable, and interoperable blockchain-based solutions. Atom, ATOM, which is the platform's native cryptocurrency, fuels the Cosmos hub. In addition to executing smart contracts, Atom is also used in completing transactions on the Cosmos network. Furthermore, the token is a license for its holders to vote, to validate, or to delegate to other validators. And so without any further ado, let's discuss with that context in mind our top 10 reasons to consider including Atom, again, ATOM, in your investment portfolio. The first 4 reasons are going to be grouped under a technology category. The first of which, at number 1, is Tendermint. This is a solution that packages consensus and network layers of a blockchain into a generic engine. It allows developers to focus more on the development of a protocol and less on its complexity. It not only allows the consensus mechanism to reach finality quickly, but also increases the performance of the protocols. This is enabled by the algorithm, which can handle up to thousands of transactions per second. Reason number 2 is varied consensus. So the consensus mechanism of Cosmos is largely dependent on the underlying applications. If an application defines that validators will be selected based on the number of tokens they stake, then the Cosmos blockchain can be categorized as proof of stake, POS. However, if applications decide to restrict only a set of pre-authorized entities to validate transactions on the platform, then the blockchain can actually be considered permissioned or private. Reason number 3 is Cosmos SDK. It is a generalized architecture to simplify the process of building apps on top of Tendermint. And Cosmos SDK intends to create a suite of modules that allows developers to easily spin applications without writing the code necessarily from scratch. Reason number 4, the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. IBC allows developers to connect all the blockchains. This protocol leverages the instant finality property of Tendermint to allow blockchains to transfer data and tokens to each other. Therefore, blockchains with different validator sets and applications can be made interoperable using Cosmos's IBC protocol. The next couple of reasons that we're diving into here pertain to solving core problems of existing legacy blockchains. And at reason number 5, we're considering the scalability. Cosmos leverages 2 kinds of scalability, vertical and horizontal scalability. The network scales the blockchain and applications built on top of it using vertical scaling to process the maximum number of transactions per second. However, at some point in vertical scaling, the transaction throughput of a single chain reaches a point which it cannot surpass. This is where horizontal architecture comes in to move the transaction to multi-chain architectures. Ultimately, in a nutshell, by running multiple chains in parallel, Cosmos makes blockchains theoretically infinitely scalable. At reason number 6, we have usability. In terms of usability, developers lack flexibility when creating blockchain-based applications, but thanks to Cosmos SDK, developers can now easily build entire application-specific blockchains that are flexible, scalable, and super easy to use. Moreover, the network allows the use of the Go programming language and a multi-layer structure. This works to further reduce the complexity of blockchain-based applications. Now let's consider variables pertaining to the team, the human capital behind the ideas, the developments, and the progress that the project has delivered thus far. At number 7, we're considering the team. Cosmos has huge support from several companies, teams, and foundations. And though the idea initially came from Jay Kwan and Ethan Buckman, who founded Tendermint, the project received main support from the Interchain Foundation, which is a Swiss nonprofit foundation. Additionally, Cosmos received support from the IRIS, that's IRIS Foundation. IRIS created the Cosmos hub IRISnet to facilitate the construction of distributed business applications. Though it's difficult to distinguish the individual contribution of all entities, they work together to support and develop Cosmos's ecosystem. In fact, the ecosystem is reason number 8 for us. Cosmos has attracted a lot of partners that are developing challenging solutions on its ecosystem. The list includes Binance Chain, eMoney, Kava, a cash network, Loom, OKX Chain, Band Protocol, Persistence, and many others. In fact, over 100 different projects are currently building blockchain-based solutions on Cosmos Network and Tendermint technology. At reason number 9, we're considering the developments. The level of development seen on the Cosmos platform continues to exceed expectations. In fact, if you look at the GitHub of Cosmos, you'll see the extensive work the team has put in to propel its vision of becoming that Internet of Blockchains, IOB. Finally, we have to consider all the achievements that they've outlined and thus far have accomplished as per their roadmap. So, according to the Cosmos roadmap, the team has already made staking and voting live in the first quarter of 2021. This next quarter, Q2, the team has plans to launch Gravity DEX, that's a decentralized exchange to enable users to exchange cryptocurrencies from all over the interchain. Additionally, a Gravity bridge will be formed to enable Cosmos-based assets to flow into Ethereum's ecosystem. As of right now, the progress is right on track. Here are some final thoughts about Cosmos and the direction that this project is moving in. We feel that the future of the crypto industry will be built upon interoperable blockchains that are not only scalable, but also make it easier for developers to build applications on them. Cosmos is at the forefront of this so-called cross-chain revolution, and it's why major projects are leveraging Tendermint, Cosmos SDK, and IBC to build protocols of their own. Working in unison with the crypto industry, Cosmos works to achieve the next plateau of mainstream adoption, and we certainly wish them luck. As you guys know, none of this is financial advice. Do with this information what you will. We're simply expressing our enthusiasm for a project that is near and dear to us. For more information, we do encourage you to follow our Telegram Trade Signals group. You can do that by clicking the link at the top of the comments. Just like this video, and just like Manoj's write-up, none of it is financial advice, but it is an informed discussion where we can talk about things like chart analysis, project updates, and whatnot. So we encourage you guys to join the conversation. Once again, guys, not financial advice, but best of luck if you do choose to invest. Have a great weekend, stay safe, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.